How to automatically repair hard drive and disk errors in Windows 10. In today's tutorial, I'll teach you an easier method on how you can check your hard drive for errors. So let's move on without further ado. So first you'd want to go to the search bar right beside Start and search for this PC. Now that you are here, go ahead and do a left click on local disk or OS. Now from the options below, you have to select Properties, then go to Tools. In this tab, you'll see an option for error checking. This option will check the drive for file system errors. Now all you have to do is click on Check, then go ahead and click on Scan Drive. This might take a couple of minutes, so just wait it out. Now that the scan is complete, it says your drive is successfully scanned and no errors were found. If there was an issue with your drive, then it would show up, but since I have no errors, or if you have no errors, then this is what the response should look like. But again, if you are not satisfied and you want to see what exactly was found in the scan, what you have to do is go to the search bar again and look for Event Viewer. Once you land in this interface, at the left side of the screen you'll see some options. Now you have to click on Windows Logs, and on the very top you'll see Application. Right beside Application you'll see Administrative. Go ahead and do a double tap on Administrative and you should get to this page. Here you can see level, date and time, source, event ID. But what you have to do is go to source and look for check disk. So CHKDSK, this is what we are looking for. Now follow along the same line and go to level. It says information. Now you have to double click on this eye icon and this should give you details about what was found earlier in the scan. You can check from here if any error was detected. Basically, you can just check the results from the scan that we earlier conducted. You can even go ahead and copy it if you want to. So there you have it. That is how you check your disk for any complication. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.